going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and you can see we got the beast with some ice, got my white car, and I got my dog, and he pulled up from pretty far away. We tried to get together a few times. It's destination detail, right, with a new job. But we got Hellcats, BMWs, Hellcats, ZR1s. I was literally the first one at the track today, which is crazy. So you guys know all 1320 content is happening right here on this channel. Lock in. And if you're new to the channel, I used to drag race every Thursday and Saturday in a Dodge Challenger 1320, which kind of made its way to be known here at Mooresville Drag Strip. My guy G is actually pulling up with the shop truck. But if you don't know anything about the new car, this is my Cadillac Cts-V. It has a Kong ported or export Kong throttle body, 2.3 expansion tank, headers, intake, and it is still on 93. There's no other fuel in this car. This is kind of the first step of stage one of full bolt-on, and then we're gonna go up from here as I go back to the Middle East, and that is my guy's G's job. Let's get to racing. Let's see what we can do, and we're gonna go from there.
What's up? We are at the track today. Little baby's about to take his Cadillac down, do 1-2, just to hang out. So yeah, I'm just here being a supportive wife, that's all. Okay, so we have Big Bambi, of course, base car. He is going to take his car down the track. We also got our new Insta360 on the back of his. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? Anyways, so I'm just out here for the vibes, for real, for real. Do I know what be going on? A little bit. I'm really just out here for the vibes. His good friend pulled up on him from Destination Detail, who's also a state trooper now, which is pretty cool. You can see some of the other cars coming in. I don't know if it's just test and tune right now, or I don't even know what time it is, actually. And of course, my watch is still showing overseas time.
street cars. Getting ready for run number 2.
Look at you instigating.